Okay, so this was a request, and this isn't, okay, so I'm going to do tortoiseshell using regular polish. So I'm going to show you kind of what I'm making. Okay, I have brown and black here, and that's just acrylic paint. Make sure it's nice and wetted down. Now, let me get you a white as I can get. Let me see here. This is not going to work. Here I was thinking I was going to make a quick video. Okay, here we go. Okay, so this is a white. I mixed these different polishes. See how this is just a sheer? That's red. That's been, I added top coat to it. This is the orange, and I used orange and a pearl and a brown and made like a brown color. Then I used just regular brown and clear top coat. So when you wipe it, look at, that's a jelly. And then this is more of a yellow jelly. So these are the colors I'm using so that you can see how sheer they are. But I'm starting, and I did 2 coats of this. Now let me see real quick. That's what it's going to look like. Anything close to that, any kind of copper color, any kind of those kind of colors. Now I'm going to go in and start making a pattern. So how I would do that is I have my brush, and I'm using Robin Moses nail art, the wand. Okay, use the really, really thin black and brown mixed together, taking the side of my brush and just kind of stippling little tiny square circles. It'll just try very hard not to make circles, because then it will look like leopard. And that's the hardest part of this design, is to make it not look like leopard. And I know that this is real trendy right now, but this is also a pattern that will never go out of style. This is like wool, herringbone, all of that stuff. The faster you learn how to do this kind of stuff, the better, because it's always in your bag of tricks of things that you can do. You can do this as a French manicure. You can do this as a half design. You can do just one nail. You can do all the nails. If you're doing all the nails, it's a little faster because they dry in between layers while you're doing all of them. So like while I'm doing this nail, all the other nails are drying. And then when I'm done, I'm ready to start the other hand. So now that these have just the smudges put on them, I will go with the pink wash and put it on the nails like this. Just a pink wash everywhere. Pink. And that is just going to orange up over the copper color. See, because that pink over the copper makes an orange, but it makes it kind of bright. So that's what you want, is that you want it to shoot out. Let me see. This is still kind of wet. See, I would usually have this dry, but just kind of put them over the top, and they blend right in. Then you have the brown. I have the brown out. And these are all regular polishes. I'm not using any gel. And then you touch. Make sure that you get your brush clean in between if you get some paint on it. Just kind of touch in. Then on these are dry. Okay, so I would just pull. And that just kind of makes it more pushed together into one design. So that, and every layer that you do, it just gets a little bit more subdued, and you do want it to be a little subdued, and just kind of like well, what it is excuse me, it's just melted pieces of resin or acrylic, and they all melt together, so you want them to look like they're melty. So there's that. Now glitter is up to you. I've seen them with glitter and without glitter, but technically it would be best not to do glitter, but it's up to you. So I might or I might not, but I'll show you the finished product. Very simple. Okay, and here is the end result with just a top coat on it. I used Dazzle Dry top coat, and I just wanted to tell you guys that after I was done, I put one more quick line of a neon yellow jelly right down the middle just to pop them a little bit more. Now I'm going to put these lights on so you can see inside. So they are not as like see-through as a gel nail, but you don't have to worry about soaking the gel off, or if you're using just nail polish, you can get the same look as gels and just using, you know, cheap stuff that you mix yourself at home. And you'll get it down. So if you need more information on this, please ask me in the comment section, because to me this is like such a fun and fast and simple design, and I don't know if I gave you all of the right as much of the info as necessary. Anyways, you guys, they are pretty and they will go with everything, and I will see you back with more. Bye. Bye.